Is your TCL AC flashing that annoying E6 error and not starting? Here's what it means and how to fix it. On TCL air conditioners, E6 usually means the indoor and outdoor units are not communicating properly. Think of it like they stopped talking to each other. This can happen for three main reasons: mode conflict, communication wire problem, or a faulty control board. Let's start with the most common one, mode conflict. If you have multiple indoor units and one is set to cooling while another is set to heating, the system gets confused and shuts down with E6. So check every indoor unit and make sure they're all in the same mode. Next step, reset the system. Turn off the AC completely from the breaker. Wait about 10 minutes. This forces both units to restart and sync properly. Then turn it back on. If the error disappears, problem solved. If not, we check wiring. Turn off power again. Open the outdoor unit terminal cover. Look for the terminal labeled S or sometimes 3. That's usually the communication wire. Make sure it's tight, not loose, not burnt, and not damaged. Follow that same wire back to the indoor unit and check that end too. Also, inspect the outdoor PCB fuse. If it's blown, replace it with the same type and rating. If everything looks normal but E6 still shows up, then the problem could be the indoor PCB, outdoor PCB, or inverter module. At that point, professional repair is needed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer.